This is a meal planner app. I spent 2 months building it for my family and we have been using it for the last few weeks. But most probably when I said meal planner, the first thing that came to your mind is this. And unfortunately, that's where most families stop. In our case, for the last few years, this was our meal planning system. A shared Google Keep note, and every Sunday we type out what we're going to cook for the week. It used to work, but not very well. Most weeks we forgot to plan entirely, and we'd end up planning something last minute. Our recipes were a complete mess. We had recipes in PDFs on Dropbox, screenshots of recipes in our camera roll, and most of the recipes were just in my head. But the worst part wasn't the disorganization, it was how it made us feel. Coming home from a long day of work and having to think what to cook. The mental load of deciding last minute and not having the ingredients to cook it, and the guilt of cooking something quick and unhealthy because we don't have time to prep something better. I was frustrated that something as simple as feeding the family was taking so much time and energy. I love cooking almost as much as building apps. And I kept thinking family meal time should bring people together, not create more stress. Something had to change. So this year I decided to do something about it. My specialty is looking at a problem and solving it with an app. I have been doing this professionally for the last 13 years. But before deciding on anything, since we will be using this together, I decided to ask my wife to tell me what she wants from a meal planner app. And this is what we came up with. We needed one place for all our recipes, easy to add from anywhere, like recipe books, PDFs, screenshots, websites. One tap and they are imported. A weekly meal plan with a reminder every Sunday so we never skip a week again, a grocery list, and everything has to be synced up between our devices. I couldn't find anything on the App Store that did exactly what we wanted, so I decided to build my own custom app. Let me show you what it actually does. First of all, you can keep all the recipes you find here. The app only contains your personal recipes, so there are no suggested recipes cluttering your app. It's like a classic recipe book. You can add recipes any way that works for you. My favorite is sharing recipes from social media or a website directly to the app, and it imports everything automatically. You can also upload a PDF, take a photo of a recipe card, or input the recipe manually. This section is the weekly meal planner. For every day of the week, I can customize the meals like breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a snack. You can tap a meal, choose one from your recipes, and you're done. You can also type the meal name manually. For example, for lunch we like to take leftovers, so I can just write in leftovers. This way Sunday meal planning takes less than 10 minutes and you only have to meal plan once a week. You can also set MealJar to send you a weekly reminder to meal plan. Our old grocery list was also on Google Keep, but I did not want to have it in another app, so I added a grocery list in here. Every ingredient is automatically sorted by category like produce, dairy, meat and bakery to make it easier at the supermarket. And because everything syncs between your phones, your partner sees the same meal plan, the same grocery list and the same recipes. I uploaded the app to the App Store. It's called MealJar. If you want to use the app for yourself, it's mostly free. But if you want to sync it up with your family, use the link down below and you will get 30% off. We have been using the app for a few weeks now and this is what we planned for this week's menu. We usually plan one meal a day and cook a little bit extra for the next day's lunch. This saves us a lot of time and we avoid takeaways. During the last few weeks, we have been inputting our recipes in here. Some of the recipes don't have an image yet, but that's okay. I have been thinking a lot about what meal planning actually changes. Without a meal plan, we wondered every evening what we're going to cook. We used to spend a lot of money on unused groceries and our recipes were scattered everywhere. With MealJar, every Sunday we get a reminder and plan all our week in minutes. We save money because we buy exactly what we need, so less things go to waste. And all of our recipes are finally in one place, which makes it really easy to meal plan because we can just select one. I am still actively improving MealJar every week based on how we actually use it. If you want to try it, it's on the App Store. I've put a link down in the description, so try it this Sunday and tell me what you think in the comments. I will personally read all the feedback you send me and tell you what I think. If you want more videos about building apps that solve real problems, subscribe and I will see you in the next one.